All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you. I am not going to waste much time in this video because Lazuba decided to share her tears to the public. Yesterday, when we were streaming live, I told you that Lazuba and people like her will come back. They will start their propaganda. I made a prediction, and that prediction is here to to represent, just like I predicted that they are going to turn things around. They're going to twist the post that DPM made, where the post that she announced her intention to run for Senate. Okay, and that post, people have said a lot of things about it, like reacting on that post in a positive way. But those negative-minded people, of course, Lazuba is not just negative; she's just evil, and then nothing good will come out from her. That's just the fact. I said it before, but not only when I was making that claim, I was not actually, focusing on her alone. But I know that some people who have a different intention, who may want to say something in regards of what is going on about the intention of DPM contesting for Senate seat using Georgia as her state, and many people don't understand. But listen, like I promised you, I'm not going to waste much time. Lazuba have something to say. What she said here is in regard to what I told you that she's going to do, and pay close attention to that video because the video is just funny. It's quite funny, but you know what? Being Lazuba, you cannot expect any other thing than funny things, isn't it? So Lazuba says something here. Let me bring it to you the way it's supposed to be. But before then, please make sure you like the video, and of course, subscribe to the channel without wasting much time. Very, very important that you do so. I would like to choose, where to start. Listen. Now listen. Let me take it back a little bit. Don't mind her. For your job. Listen.
Right from the beginning. If I don't know what am I like, if I name it, I like when things name on a name job. There is no genuine joy because na album life from the beginning. There is no genuine joy because of an from here with life from the beginning. So, are there more supplies and the only thing no man may punya. The only thing no man may punya on them. The bias no onya holiday cabra. The end is no nya on the cabra that na. Ngozi afọ ebe ndị otu ya na-etele ihe congratulation na enjoy jikwere ahụ ọ gịnị amamụ minista nke ọwa amamụ na onye nwawo amamụ minista nke ọwụ ya wụlụ. I don't care. The only thing I care is that now
you actually care. That's why you are even talking about it. So the tears is just starting. Listen.
I told you people right from the beginning. I told you people now goes all of the whole of money to has and the people do one, what I'm okay. Oh, one, Yanine, okay, Jalafadindo, for a week, and Dala, Evangeline, Dala, Noromia. La Arab, a woman came
and their lab, go up in their lab. Go and also work at Sudanese woman, and have children from different men. So also give no cocoa. Before now, I remember the marriage because of cocoa. We have 8 children from different father, But listen, you don't need to bring about somebody's children to your saga. But for the fact that you are not well trained, even though you are of age, but you don't use your brain, do you? You don't. How can you come and begin to talk about, oh, no Jomo for? This is somebody's private life. I'm not saying that what she said is true, But whether it is true or not, she don't have right to discuss somebody like that. But she will want to raise dust because if you know if you game negent.
Nigeria at all. So this woman can never Nigeria life this thing and all you mean. Also, what anything like what that place. No America. So when it's anything they joy. Do it may fungos no guitar. Nigeria Haji meeting is will be. For talk when I can go nada variable. Okay, that elite squad, terrorist gun group get the variable. So or try to negotiate business. We want to negotiate for business.
Imagine being this woman's age with wearing eyeglass because maybe she's having sight issue, which can happen to you. It's not only age, right? But as a matured woman, because based on your age, imagine coming out on social media, lying to the general public on things that you know that does not exist. Like something that is too obvious to you that this thing is not like that, but you're actually saying that it is like that. Not what that she's available, that the elite squad they are available to be used. These are life for pit of hell. When the issue of availability was only mentioned when DPM normally called people that saying that she's normally said that I am available for negotiation. Let's discuss. A sign that she's not for war. She's actually opening door for people that want to reach out to her for everlasting peace.
So, are there more supplies? And they want to make it with their bass and goes that now you have dragon on the year win. I don't care.
Another lie.
When you decide because he because nobody funny.
Orabueze Jogu for yet. It cannot since you know there's no Jogu Jidofo, it's quite a bad day, but or the amount of the meaning of Madi Jogu Jidofo. So, Okoya Ho Jogu Jidofo Kaina Atastot. Chekweyeche, Okwakunka, not meal, Chekweyeche. All this you are doing it to somebody who you know from your own mouth. You agree, you admitted that she has offer no joke offer. Yet I don't care.
Social media, I mean, steady. All one goes deceive, all go to deceive. I could when you fall in. I didn't mean with you at all.
It's a lie.
Because the other goes me on the pussy and social media. On a job Biafra, over the other job Biafra. Karate.
But not that job Biafra. Oh, what we need that job Biafra now? This is the lies that woman tells that will shock me. We have her video where she said she's no longer in fighting for Biafra. She even went as far as saying that she would be a saboteur. If anybody dare to talk about Biafra or bring in Biafra, that she herself will be a saboteur. Not me saying that, this happened to be her own word. And I want you to hear that from her. Okay, because I can't or come and go see go to guy if
humanitarian to help our people. Hence, all the register. I will write a contribution to help our people at home. All the way all over the world. Humanitarian. Hence, all the register. Government got tired. We need a gift for freedom now. Yeah, in the gift for freedom, your mind is go out. We want the freedom to make you a jail. Nobody can go down away from Orabueze. Where's all you to Orabueze? In a book, freedom, your land is going now about freedom. I'm not there for freedom again.
This is plain. If you want to say something, say it. Don't dance around. like somebody who has boil under his thighs.
She made it clear here that she is not for freedom again. I hope we heard it very, very well. Okay?
Sign to ya, it's your signature, ya. Ngozi Orabueze didn't sign anything.
Shut up, you know if you do.
I'm out from it. Anything saga. I'm out from it. Can we keep ourselves? Because that saga in Abba didn't name me and didn't name Popa. I don't know walk with Obatobia. No one I walk with and that. Because you walk with Obatobia. Okay, can I walk with Obatobia? They know us.
Yeah, she admits that Ngozi and Ogenkere are working with Obatobia. Now I got from anything saga. Okay, I know why I'm playing all this for you to just keep that for yourself and connect it to what she will say while playing the video that brought us here. Please make sure you like the video. In case if you have not, make sure you like the video and put your comment. Let us know what you think about it. Now I want you to listen to what she said here.
Everything on it, and all the information about her, she don't care. She don't give a damn. So, I want to Georgia talk a terrorist woman. What are their destiny? We know. Call on social media.
Good. She told that she don't care. But her number one prayer is that Ngozi Orabueze should go out from social media. Not only her. Remember when Sona Barawa and Mazakwa, when they claimed that Obadobe told her to leave social media.
Yes. I don't know we know. Also we know Nandos Lava Meriba, Mandos of a baby also. Oh no, one I can case. No one even goes on a basic case.
Awa that she will come out, they will come out with this propaganda. Negative.
They even also declare winner. This woman is evil. Very evil. Too much evil. Ngozi Orabueze follow Obatobia. Obatobia is a politician of Finland.
Get the
a year before Obatobia, a ban at vote. A year before Obatobia, a lot of declaration. Before a year death. Obatobia ban at vote. Obatobia and the social media. Why put that near I resign on his political destiny or resign on just because of Biafra. Just because of Obatobia trust the criminals surrender.
That is not what happened. Finnish government told PM to make a choice. Choose, and PM chose not to continue with being, with his political career in Finland. Not that Ngozi advised or anybody advised him to stop and all that. Finnish government requested for that. But see how this woman would use it.
All discussion with key cabinet members. And this criminal, Ngozi Orabueze supported him for him to resign. Don't want to go see a politician in America. Now, some Biafra. Who does that? What can a country woman? Almost some peace now 1 year now. I don't know. But and I'm anybody there for this criminal won't know that much the back. What are you going to do this? The first for this. On account of Neko, waiting enough for her to sponsor her this thing. Obi the way. Okaja we know Maya or the day woke Biafra on social media. That's the deputy.
What if this woman no man chancha? Nothing. I'm telling you. Negative if arguments.
That's the cause. It can never work. No one can match it. Almost some peace needed for a notch.
Even agree. If DPM decided not to talk about Biafra again today, anything, I don't see anything to hold on that. Yes, I don't see anybody to blame on that. And am I expecting her to continue? No, she's a human being. And if she continue, fine. But it is not a thing of shame that, oh, you supported her and now she's... If you actually know the stand of Mas Nnamdi Kanu and his choice between Republican and Democrats in America, you understand that the choice of DPM is not just new. All these three leaders are actually very, very ready to work with Republican. That does not mean that Democrats should be ignored totally and all that, but politics is politics. You cannot just pretend that you know what you don't know.
All this in social media, social media on our use chat and dump over like a rat. Welcome us now. I'm gonna buy a Jamaican campaign in America. I'm gonna get a Jamaican campaign in America. Kind television, Jamaican campaign in America.
Before Uncle Magan, I didn't go in your car. It's about again na Trump inauguration. That Trump inauguration period that you were begging and almost shouting it on social media for people for DPM to bring you in because you want to go, you want to be part of it. Once that failed, that is when you started nursing your anger. You see? Listen to this woman.
She campaign in America. Or the Ghana colors or job and Aquaka. Here the campaign in America. I even in our side that I don't worry. That I are only good news very soon. I know good news what? Don't you like candidate and then you the nationality. You can do whatever you want.
This is very funny.
You take contest. Local district, you want to contest local district.
This is another part. That even DPM not contest with local district. She don't even know the position. But as long as it has to do with something good, she will spread her cobwebs to migrate it and hold it down. But she needs to understand that you are not talking to a fool. People actually know who you are, and of course, with what you represent. That is just the fact. So she's crying here, my people. She's crying, lamenting, and claiming that she knows what she don't know, claiming to be what she is not, lying for free. She's not lying for fun. Please make sure you like the video and let me know what you think about it. Why I'm even presenting this at all, because just to remind you that I told you yesterday that they will come out and make some crazy remark about that post. I've told you. Now this has come to pass. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about it. God bless and good morning.